Hey guys, welcome to Digit, and in this video we'll be unboxing the UniFi Security Gateway that's brought to you by Ubiquiti Networks. And this is basically an enterprise gateway router with gigabit Ethernet that sits between your internal network and the internet. Now this is the top cover. As you can see, nothing much different. On the back side we can see the package contents along with the features, which states that it has advanced security monitoring management, it's powered by UniFi software, and it has sophisticated routing features and all sorts of thingamajigs. As usual with most of these devices, there's a security hologram on the side which you can use to verify if this is an original product or not. Now we can take off the top sleeve, open the box, and on the inside we are met with a quick start guide for the gateway, the security gateway itself, power cable with support for Indian standards, power adapter. Again, this doesn't matter if it's Indian standards or not, because this thing does support 100 to 240 volts, so that's cool. You can use this in the US or India, it doesn't matter. As long as you have the supporting plug, it should be fine. And then you have a couple of screws for mounting this thing onto a wall if you choose to. So here are all the package contents of the UniFi Security Gateway spread apart in front of you. You can see this square device is your gateway. On the top you have a little cutout which also houses your LEDs for indicators. They switch from white to green to blue to amber depending on the different situations and the conditions that are of the network at that particular time. The device is square in shape, as you can see. On the bottom you have 4 different ports. On the extreme left you have the console port, which is what you're going to use to actually change the settings of the device. Then you have the WAN port, which connects to your external network. Then you have the LAN port, which connects to your internal network. And then you have the WAN or LAN port, which is an additional port for, let's say, running multiple networks onto the same infrastructure. On the top of the device you have a 12-volt DC port which connects to your power supply, and this particular unit can handle American as well as Indian systems, so it's rated for 100 to 240 volts. So you can connect it to all sorts of different power outlets as long as you have a supported power plug. The device has ventilation slits all across the body on all the sides. You have a couple of mounting holes for mounting this onto a wall or a ceiling if you wish to. Aside from that, you have the information in the center should you want to connect this or identify this device in your entire infrastructure. So that was a quick unboxing and overview of the UniFi Security Gateway. Thank you for watching.